I'm recording Managerial Economics for second BCom A and B by Professor Yoganand S. SNMB CAS. I am going to be reading exactly what he's written verbatim, so it'll be like I won't, whatever he's written in whichever format, I'm going to read it. And you can always sit with the professor or with your peers and figure out what is being said here. Okay, economics meaning: 1. Households. 2. Society manage the funds. It's divided into 4 types. 1. Wealth dash rich, comma, power within brackets strong of the country. 2. Welfare dash providing facility. 3. Scarcity dash human behavior or relationship. 4th. Growth dash development dash with or without using money. Managerial economics meaning: 1. Used for decision making. 2. Fill the gap between economic theory, managerial practice. 3. Provide number of tools and techniques to complete the task, decision, practical situation. Definition: integration of economic theory, business practice hyphen decision making. Nature: 1. Science. 2. Art. 3. Science and art. First, price fall dash increase quantity. 2. Increase per person income dash increase standard of living. Third, profit maximization dash increase revenue. 4. Decision making dash future planning dash making alternative way. Scope: demand analysis and forecasting dash cost, comma, production, comma, supply, comma, pricey, comma, policy, comma, practice, comma, profit, comma, capital, full stop. Decision making: 1. Important function. 2. Alternative. 3. Managers. Pricing, comma, product, comma, cost, comma, cost control, comma, capital, comma, promotion, comma, asset, comma, expansion, comma, knowledge. Process: 1. Establishing object. 2. Defining the problem. 3. Identifying possible alternative courses. Dash considering legal and social construction, comma, calculating alternative course of action and choosing the best, comma, considering financial, comma, techniques, infrastructure input, comma, implementing and monitoring. Types: 1. Production decision dash alternative to increase profit. 2. Inventory management dash stock. 3. Cost decision dash cost control. 4. Marketing and output decision dash sales and purchase decision. 5. Investment management dash capital budgeting. 6. Personal relation decision dash close contact with employees, motivate, comma, hiring. Rules or goals of the firm. It is classified into 5 types. 1. Economic objective, colon, increase the profit, increase the variety of product, long-term survival, long period of time, sales, increase day to day, balanced growth, demand gradually increase, multi-purpose growth, multi-goal within brackets product goal, multi-dimensional within brackets inventory goal. Organizational sales goal, violation market share, creation of customer, customer retained satisfaction of customer, self-sufficiency, firm fulfill economic needs, financial soundness, success of firm depends on financial sound, innovation, creating new things. 2. Social objective, service to society, good corporate citizenship, supply of quality products, profit and anti-service, providing service. 3. Organizational objective, long run, capturing market leadership, higher rate of growth. 4. Human objectives, fair deal of employees, motivate, better working condition, security, job satisfaction, workers' involvement, decision making sense, solve many problems. Nation goal, social justice, providing opportunity, group, class, color, caste, community, religion, language. Nation priorities, business, national objective, target, export promotion, improve country economy. Economic theory. Economic theory is classified into 5 types. 1. Opportunity cost, sacrifices of alternative according to the decision. 2. Incremental cost, related to managerial cost, managerial revenue, decision alternatives, cost and revenue, change in total cost and revenue, change in price. 3. Price of time prospective, long short run, part of every day, problem, decision making, made only in short run. 4. Discount principles, fundamental idea. 5. Equal margin principles, alternative input. Economic divisions, 1. Micro, 2. Macro. 1. Consumption, characteristics, behavior, diminishing of utility value, consumer. 2. Production, land, labor, capital, firm, mobility, law of government, rent, wages, interest, profit. 3. Exchange, trade, goods and services moving one place to another place, money, bank. 4. Distribution, 3 types. 5. Public finance, tax, expenditure, budget, finance, administration. Example, Kerala Sari. The end. This is where we end this particular recording on this topic.